Hello students, welcome back to KB Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasys Maurya, your physics teacher. Today in lesson 3 we will discuss special features of gravitational force and important terms and definitions. So first of all we will discuss special features of gravitational force. So first feature, the gravitational force is between two bodies is always attractive. Means between two bodies the gravitational force will be always attractive. It will attract the two bodies. Second feature, all the planets revolve around the sun due to the gravitational force between sun and planets. This so that the gravitational force is responsible for the existence of solar system. It means if there will be no gravitational force, our solar system will be not exist. Third, the value of G, gravitational constant, capital G, is always true by the observations and practical. It is proved that the value of G, gravitational constant G, is same everywhere. After that, fourth feature, the atmosphere of Earth is also exist due to the gravitational force only. If the gravitational force will not there, the atmosphere will be not there. Another feature, the tides in oceans, rainfall and snowfall, all these occurs due to the gravitational force of Earth. Because if there will no gravitational force, the Earth will not attract the snow or rain, so it will not occur. After that, the gravitational force is central force. It means it works on the joining line of centers of two bodies. The gravitational force between two bodies constitutes an action and reaction. Means the direction of gravitational force will opposite. So these are the special features of gravitational force. After that we will discuss important terms and definitions. In this chapter, these definitions are necessary to know us. So first of all we will discuss orbital velocity. So the velocity required to put a satellite in its orbit is called orbital velocity. Without orbital velocity, the satellite cannot be put in its orbit. After that, escape velocity. Escape velocity, the minimum velocity by which a body is projected so that it overcomes the gravitational force. Means it will cross the limit of gravitation force and thus it will go out of the orbit of Earth and it will never return to the Earth. The value of escape velocity is 11.2 kilometers per second. If a body is thrown with the speed of 11.2 kilometer per second, which is a very high speed. So the body will never return to the earth's surface again. After that, we will discuss geostationary orbit or satellite. When a satellite has the revolution time period equal to the earth's rotation period, it is called geostationary satellite. This satellite will always positioned for a constant place because its revolution period is equal to the rotation period of earth. After that, we will discuss weightlessness. Weightlessness, the state of body when it freely falls due to the gravitation, it is called weightlessness. So today we discuss special features of gravitational force and some important terms which were required for us. That's all. Thank you.